Hello friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are making hot cocoa soap. So this is another remake from last year. We're doing it just a little bit different this year. But to start, we'll do what we always do, mix together our oils, additives, and butters, and then add in our lye. Split this into 3 buckets. To our first bucket, I have a little bit of titanium dioxide mixed with some King Tut Gold mica. Next one, I have a lot of bit of King Tut Gold mica mixed with a little bit of mocha. And our third color is this beautiful mocha mica. To add in my fragrance oil to the darker colors only, because I want that this will discolor to a brown, and I want that cream color to stay. We'll give it a blend with our stick blender and throw this in the mold. Batter is still nice and fluid. We do want it to thicken up just a little bit so it doesn't all bleed together. So I'll get my molds ready and bring you back when we can pour this. Back, we're gonna mix up some piping and we'll come back and do the top. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the tops piped. My piping isn't quite set up, but it's been taking forever. My patience has grown thin, so we're just gonna go for it. I have some King Tut's Gold mica mixed with some olive oil, and this will probably be a bad idea, but I'm going to try to drizzle it over top and let it just kind of fall to the sides. The first one that I have is chocolate gumdrops. So these are made out of white melt and pour soap base. I purchased this soap base from Soaper's Choice. And each bar gets one in the middle. now we have lots of these melt and pour marshmallows. And I'm just gonna put them to where it covers that like little dollop there. To add some Sparkle Sunshine mica. We will spray it with some rubbing alcohol. And she's complete. Here is 2021's version of hot cocoa. So let's go ahead and see what the inside of these bars look like right now. Welcome back. So let's go ahead and cut into the hot cocoa soap. This soap, the scent is so strong and it is so dead on of hot cocoa. It's kind of tricks your mind a little bit. Like, what am I smelling? It's soap. It should be a beverage. And here is the first bar. Oh, I love it. You have that little milk chocolate gumdrop and the marshmallows and that drop swirl. Beautiful, and it is going to darken as it cures. So this soap, if you are interested, will be part of the September 5th release in my Etsy shop. That link is in the description box below if you are interested. I thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.